Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
इतना बुरा लग रहा है ना बेचारे जी जी वहां से आया उनको पूरा सिलेंडर भी नहीं मिल पाया दूर से बेचारा
Hello, good evening, my dear students. How are you all? Fine? I know you all are eagerly waiting for the very special kind of art form, and that is magic art. Yes. So without delay, let's get started. And for this, you need a drawing file and you will be using it horizontally. Okay. We are going to use the drawing sheet horizontally. I will give complete view of my file. It will give you clear-cut idea about. Now, can you all see my screen? Show your thumbs up. Can you hear me properly? Okay. Now, today we are going to learn the magic art, and the topic will come to know because after 15 days, the days of Durga will come. So today, using this magical art form, we are going to learn the face of Devi Durga. Okay, Teachers Day special art. Do you want to learn Teachers Day special card, all of you? Shall we keep this for next time? Okay, so let's do one thing. Then, to say next class, but Teachers Day nikal jayega na. Okay, so chalo, today's concept, we will orient today's concept on Magic Art come Teachers' Day. It will cover up both the drawings. And when the Teachers' Day will be over, then we will come on Durga. So in that also we will be going for Magic Art, and in this also we will be going for Magic Art. Okay, so for this, what you will be doing, you will fold your paper. Fold your paper and go for a proper crease. Okay, go for a proper crease. And this is drawing of Teachers' Day. I wanted to show that a teacher is showing you light. All around there is darkness, and teacher is taking you to light. It means teacher hold your hands, give you knowledge of light of knowledge, and take you to the world which is bright and happier world. Okay, so this concept we will be trying. So I will just go for a crease. No, you will not tear page. I'm making on sheet. You will be doing it directly in your drawing file. Now what I will be doing here. This outer part. See now here, this part. Suppose this is a file. So this from here your paper is attached. So you will not make here. You will make on outer part. Okay. Here I will be making a circle. And
A3.
yes, this is A3 size, normal A3 size, which we normally use. And now take equal distance here, equal distance. We will be working on half of our file, okay? And half will get stressed, the tracing will be done automatically. Yeah, this is the magic. And the best part of this artwork which you're going to learn today, that there is perfect symmetry, okay? So with this beautiful concept, that thanks teacher for being the guide light of my life, okay? This is the concept of today's work. From here, first I will be making a outer semi circle. Okay. Yeah, we are doing it for Teachers' Day. And from top to bottom, one more. It will go in oval shape. See here, the concept which I picked up is darkness to light. We are going to try to. This is out. Suppose this is your drawing file. This is your drawing file. So when you make crease like this, it will come this side. You are making this side, not inside. Okay. Make this ways 3 big semicircles. Now what I did, I just make a crease, proper center crease. And this inner part which is attached to file, I will not use that. I will use this half outer part and I'm making my pattern. Okay. Now, let's go for some designs. I will be using mandala for showing that. Okay. Mandala. Mandala pattern we will be showing. Curved lines. Carefully. Okay. You are just supposed to show curved lines and we will be making mandala pattern, but the coloring will be like mandala. It is a kind of doodle art, but we just use it in circular frame. Okay. When we just arrange that, and mandala looks equal from all sides. Simple flower I have made. And your lines should be dark. Make sure you are going to make your lines very dark. Okay. It's U shape, simple U shape for making petals. And this time we will be using colorful sketch pen for outlines. And if you don't want to use that, in that case, we can just do colors directly because we are going to show dark to light. Okay. Let's complete this outer line. After making this U pattern, you can just take dots, draw V of equal size. V. Okay. You can make any other design also. It's absolutely your choice. And I just want to show lines. Any other design? I'm going for very simple geometric shapes. Very, very simple. And see, every line you are supposed to press nicely. You will make lines dark after finalizing. The impression of the lines. Can you see the impression of lines? Are coming backside. It should be that dark that the line should come. This V. Yeah, Ryansh, it's always a pleasure. Okay. And I like when students just acknowledge their wish to learn something new. It's always a pleasure. And I was thinking of that, ki, shall I plan or not? And I decided ki I will teach the magic art. I have promised of magic art. But today, using the same, I'm going to teach you a lovely concept. It's a very different kind of Teacher's Day special artwork. And hopefully you will enjoy. Okay, and this mandala, see, coloring though we won't be able to do because we will be doing tracing. I will try my level best, but we will be able to complete it till next period only. Okay. Yes, I just made this. I'm making very big patterns, not very minute. Proper lines. This is mandala. Now see here, repeated design from any direction. It will look same. And I'm arranging that in a round frame. This is called mandala. Yeah. And each and every design you will be making effortsfully uniform. Okay? And as I don't want to extend the work to great level, I will finish with vertical lines. First, I will join. Okay, this is the basic pattern of circle, which we made. These petals, see, this is just these 2 points I took and draw C. Then outside also. Then what I did, I just took this point and draw lines. You can try your own pattern. If you want to try your own design, you can try. Okay? There is no foundation. You're supposed to make a very beautiful and creative design in round pattern. Yes. And those who have done, what they will do, they will start making their each line dark. Now see what I'm doing. All of you see once. After completing this design, what I'm doing, I'm moving my pencil dark with lots of weight. When I will put weight now, my impressions will be more clear. It will come clear. I want clear impression backside. So what I will be doing, I will be making my each line with lots of pressure and dark pencil. I will be using dark pencil. If you have any dark pencil, use that. It will make your work easy. Because now magic will happen. And one more thing, students, here my teacher and student is going to stand. From here, draw a straight line. Come here. And erase this line. This line we don't want. My student and teacher, they both will be standing on this elevated part. So I will be erasing. Yeah, I'm waiting. Finish, all of you finish. You can try other pattern also. Any other pattern. I've just made simple designs. Some very geometric shapes I've tried. And now I'm using dark pencil. I'm highlighting all my lines because I want magic to happen. Yes. Slowly and slowly, I will just make all the lines dark. I will move my pencil again over that. And patterns can be of your choice. You can try any pattern. If you want to go for more detailed and minute design, you can try that. Okay. Keeping the level of all the students in mind, I'm not going for very minute design. But you can try minute designs also. And a very different kind of Teachers' Day special drawing we are learning. Right now you must be thinking with this kind of pattern, how it can be a Teachers' Day special drawing. You must be thinking this only, na? But you will see that how it will be converted in a Teachers' Day special drawing. Make all the lines highlighted. Come on. Move your pencil dark on each line. And if you have any dark pencil, go for that. We need dark pencil. And sharp, while making the lines double, you will press your pencil. Okay, you are supposed to press your pencil. I always ask you to move your pencil very lightweight. But today, with pressure, you will move your pencil because back side of the paper. And see this mountain, you will leave. This elevated part which I made now will not make your pattern inside. Very simple pattern. Mandala is very minutely designed, but I just made it simple because many students must be finding this part also very challenging. Those who want to add little more minute patterns, you are most welcome for doing that. See, the outer part of my file is done with this pattern. It's ready. Okay. Yes, will I be able to see how the work is going on? Please show. Hmm. Yeah, very good. Make all the lines dark. Those who are doing, continue. And those who have done, they will make lines dark because now we will trace the lines. Okay, so that we can get symmetry. You please click on speaker view if you're not able to see the. Teacher's Day was the topic. See, all of you say, when I fold my paper, I can see the impression of my lines clearly. So what I'm going to do, can you see the lines? See, very clearly it can be seen. See the lines. Here, maybe because of light, the lines are clearly seen at the back side. Now what I'm going to do, I will be moving my pencil back side. Okay. Yes, I will move my pencil back side. These are the lines. And I will be moving my pencil back side. Okay. See what I did. I just make the figure. I made it dark. After making it dark, what I will be doing? Make it dark first, all of you. Move your pencil and make it dark. You are supposed to move your pencil with lots of pressure so that you can see the reflection of the drawing backside. Yeah, Teacher's Day was topic. So we are going to make on that only, but we are going to do the work in very different way. And see, when I just place my drawing this way, I can see the impression. It's very clearly seen that these are the lines. So I will just start taking my work. I will place and in. See, the lines are very clear. I will just move my pencil over line. Yeah. Same ways, move your pencil exactly on the lines which you can see. Your line should exactly fall on the design which I can see. This is the pattern. Now what I'm doing, I'm actually preparing my magic to happen. I'm preparing the platform ready so that my magic can happen. If you feel that few lines you can't see, open your page and make those lines a little more dark. See, you can see the impression. Magic is happening. Can you see the lines? See, the pattern which I made backside, only that much pattern is been traced. Okay, the whole pattern will be traced this way. Okay, let's complete. You are supposed to move your pencil dark backside also. Okay, for making ornamental shapes, whenever you want to maintain symmetry, this is the best technique. For Rangoli patterns, no, we will not do sketch pen over this. We will not. Okay? We will be showing in very different way. I'm just trying to see the impressions. And because of this only, I was moving my pencil dark because my paper is quite thick. This is cotton sheet I'm using. These are very thick sheets. But in normal drawing paper, very carefully, with lots of focus, you will be doing this. And if you feel that few lines are not clearly visible, you can just open your page and make those lines little more dark. Like these curved lines are not clear. I will move my pencil once again over that. So what will happen? I will get clear view of these patterns. Okay, you can move your pencil once again over this with little more pressure. See, now the lines are quite clear. I will complete my lines. Yeah, it will come very calm, very light, but you will get perfect lines for making them highlighted. Once you get impression, and you can highlight. The main thing is proper impression. Okay, and see, my pattern is about to get ready. The thing which is light, you can just come in front, make them dark, and you will get clear impression. Okay, the outer line. Yes, my work is ready for magic. Okay, and here little part is left. I will complete that also. Lines are very light, I will highlight. Okay, here few lines are very light. I just want to highlight them so that backside the impression will be clear and manageable for me. Okay, these few lines are very light. I'm not able to see. I just made them dark. And now I will go back and do its tracing. And see, if you will move your pencil on wrong lines, your impression, your magic will not happen. Your magic will happen when backside your lines are exactly falling on the lines on previous lines. Then only the magic will happen. Otherwise, it won't happen. Yes. And here a few lines are left. I will complete them also. Okay. And here, this figure is left. Those who have done, supposed to wait. And the light impression which you get, now start moving your pencil over that. Okay. And see, the figure is done. Yes. Okay, you can see the impression. The light pattern is ready. Okay. So now what we will be doing? We will be completing it. Okay. This middle circle is left. I will just copy this middle impression. And I will open. And let's complete this complete pattern. Okay, this ways we take impression. Okay, now this impression, this magic has happened. How many of you are able to make this magic happen? Okay, is it happening on your paper? Oh, wow. Yes, it's a magic now. Means you are getting exactly similar design using this method. You can try anything. Wow, very good. Those who are having little thin paper now, they would be finding this work very shabash. Now highlight. Now finalize. Finalize this. I will also finalize. My paper was very thin, sorry, thick. So I literally struggled for. It was very thick paper. Now I will be highlighting the pattern. The impressions are ready, and because of the impressions, the magic which happened on my paper, I'm able to go for exactly similar lines. Okay, see, I will complete my pattern. You also complete your pattern, and lots of focus is required for this. Okay, na? Finish your pattern. Yes. Yeah, Jia, please, what you want to ask? Message me again. This inner will be left white. No design inside, okay? Because here the color will be going in absolutely a very special way, because the concept is that our teacher is taking us to light from darkness. अंधेरे से उजाले की ओर, ठीक है ना? Teacher is that light. Yes. Now mine is also done. Now let's complete our basic drawing. Let me complete this also. Many students are still doing, I can see on my screen. They will also get little more time. Using this pattern, you can try any complicated ornamental design, any kind of rangoli cutouts, Diwali cutouts you can make using the same pattern. Okay. And you can see the design is exactly similar. You can see exact symmetry. Yes. All of you have done? I just want to see at how the work done. Show. Yeah, very good. Excellent. All of you show. Okay. Many are still doing. I will wait for them. Lovely. Excellent. Wonderful. It's lovely. Very nicely done. Good, huh? Excellent work. I think we shall start with the basic concept. And here the color scheme. What is going to be our color scheme? Our color scheme will be dark to light. Okay. Here we will be taking blue, then we will merge it in red, then orange, then yellow. Means everywhere darkness, but God is taking you to light. Okay. Although the work is dark, but by providing us perfect knowledge, teacher is taking us to light. So shall we start with the second figure? Very beautifully done. Shabash. Lovely. Excellent work. Yes, I think we shall start with the figure now. Okay? Okay. Continue. Finish. Anaisha, continue. Very good, Riyansh. Lovely. Now we have 15 minutes more, and I just want to complete the drawing at least. See, let's do one thing. All of you listen now. For 2 minutes, listen. First, all of you listen. What we can do, let's make figure first, and then the tracing you can finish afterwards. Okay? So let's complete figure first. And afterwards, you complete your tracing. Okay. Now here I want to show teacher and student. Okay. So for showing teacher, show oval shaped face. And this will be going in absolutely black shadow. Okay. And I want to show teacher in a sari, or if you can show teacher as father's face, father. Okay. So in that case, make. And if you want to show teacher in a sari, so you can make accordingly. So shall I make in sari? So let's make in sari. This is O, make, slanting line. Come on, show a slanting line. I will be showing here. With sketch pen, I think it will give you better idea. Slanting lines, you make it with pencil and make shape of figure. Out. Okay. I'm making it with sketch pen so that you can see. Okay. This is basic shape. Lines going in. Then coming out and a shape of sari. Okay. And here. This point and this slanting line which we have now from here. Is pointing out to the star. That look at that star. That is the perfect direction. Pointing out. Nay, you will be making it with pencil. I'm doing it with sketch pen so that you can see that what is the figure, because in mandala you won't be able to locate because this complete figure is going to come in shadow. Pointing out and showing. We are going to store stars here. Okay. Which is showing that what is the perfect direction. And here you can write, thanks teacher for being the guide light of my life. Okay. You can write this ways. If you have done with sketch pen, it's okay, but do with pencil so that if the lines are wrong, you can at least erase. Okay. And here, this is you. Okay. This is you. Learning and understanding and getting what is right, what is wrong. Showing direction, it means, Anisha, you must have moved backside on wrong lines. If you will move your pencil on wrong lines, you will not move your pencil exactly on impression, then your magic will not happen. Okay, don't worry, you will be getting recording. You try it once again. Okay? It will happen for very sure. Now this girl. Show simply frog, very little girl. Yeah, you can make boy also. In that case, you will be showing t-shirt and we are going to show it in shadow. And this complete mandala will be covered up with beautiful colors. And you will not give outlines. Okay, don't give outlines in this work. Show legs. Holding hands. See from here, from teacher, from this and this, 2 points will come down. And she's holding hand. Just show hands, holding. With lots of love and compassion. Show holding hands, just connect two hands and make a circle. Okay? And looking at the direction, correct direction, teacher is showing. Here, just below head, take 2 points. Second hand. And show here. Finish this second hand also. See, you can do outlines like this only when you have done coloring with. Sorry, your lines are perfect. Otherwise, you won't be able to erase. Now see, to show hair of girl. This is the center of the circle. From here, you will be showing a line going this way. J. This complete figure will be done with okay. And for teacher, you will be showing, if you want to show sari, and if you want to make boy, in that case, you will just make. Shall I make a boy also? Otherwise, the confusion will be. Okay, I will be showing boy also. Pants, shoes, just observing with them. Boy will also go this way. Okay, in a shadow. You can just, we will cover it up completely with shadow. It will be completely covered up with shadow because they all are standing with teacher, and the line, thanks teacher for being The guide light of my life. Yeah, it will be like chill out. Okay. If you want to show a kind of Judah, you can show this kind of. Teachers normally make this kind of Judah. Okay. So you can show this, and this completely will be filled with black. And here, this complete mandala will give a. See, I just showed. Those who want to make boy, they can make boy also. If you want to make only girl, it's your choice. If you want to make both. Okay, it's your choice. Now the magic of the drawing is in its coloring. Okay, the beautiful coloring and merging. So next time, as we are going to show night, so we will sprinkle. If you remember, in astronaut drawing, we sprinkle color and make stars. So here we will be showing stars, and slowly the night is going and light is coming. We will be showing this ways. The magic will be created by colors. So next time we will complete coloring and your drawing will be ready, and here you will be writing, thanks for being guide light of my life. Okay. Finish this all. And those whose magic did not happen, don't get disheartened. Try it once again. Okay, try it once again. You all will be getting recording, and the link of recording is there only where you get the link of classes. So you just go through recording and try it once again. Simple. As we have time, first I want to see that how is it done. No, no outlines in this drawing. Okay, you will not give any outline in this drawing. Yes, you can make jacket, you can make any ways. If you want to make sir at place of teacher, okay, continue, finish this. I just want to see. See, the background coloring will be almost of this kind. Okay, dark to light. This background mandala coloring will be of this kind, dark to light. No, we will be doing it with oil pastels. And in this dark part, we are going to show stars. So this ways we are going to do it. But those who want to submit earlier, for them, I'm showing this. This is going to be our color scheme, which we will be implementing next time. Okay. See, this ways it will come out. Chill out. Okay. Our drawing will come out this way. This way is the shadow. Riyansh, in that case, because of you only, I'm showing this. So you can do this ways coloring. Those who want to submit their work tomorrow, they can just implement this coloring. Dark to light. Dark to light. Okay. This color scheme we will be implementing in our mandala. Okay, blue to red, red to yellow, orange, then white. So this ways it will seem as if this is the light. Teacher is showing you light in the darkness of the world. Very good. Ananya has completed and it's looking great. Very good, Ananya. Shabash. Shabash. She filled black color in teacher. And many of you, I want to see the work. Please, all of you see, show your work. Show your work. Yes, and it is going to be a very different kind of Teacher's Day special card. Normally we show a teacher and one child is giving gift or this or that. No? But here we have picked up a very spiritual and very different way to show. Ananita बहुत अच्छे से दिखाया, very nice. Okay? Yes, बहुत अच्छा बनाया है सबने, very good. Okay, so this is the concept and this is also a way of covering up the concept. Okay, so and this is going to be our color scheme. Be ready with your watercolors, your oil pastel colors, and no, we are not supposed to give outlines. We will not give outlines in this. We will highlight with pencil only. Good, excellent. And those who are finding not satisfied with the work, they feel that I can make better. They can see recording and try it once again. So this ways we try our, if you only teacher, show one girl or boy at least. है ना, only teacher तो फिर लगेगा कि किसको दिखा रही है direction, है ना, जैसे teacher is showing the direction, तो who to whom? तो make one student should be there. Okay? So this is the way the magic happened. जरा thumbs up दिखाओ कि कितने बच्चों का magic फटाफट से हो गया था. And how many of you enjoyed today's magical class? Show your thumbs up. Yes, it's a very helpful technique and you can use it at many places. And next time, good. Nice. बहुत अच्छा बनाया है. कुछ एक ने टीचर्स की फिगर को थोड़ा सा यहाँ से ब्रॉड कर दिया, तो प्लीज चेक द फिगर. ओके, बाकी सबने बहुत अच्छा बनाया. Yes, Gurleen, I have seen yours. Lovely work. And so this a very special drawing, and the color scheme also I reveal, although I was thinking that I will not tell you the color scheme. This is going to be our color scheme for the background. And after completing background, this drawing will look great. And in darker part, we are going to sprinkle stars, dark to light. Teacher is doing this only, na? The world is so dark, but by departing and giving us knowledge and showing correct path, she's enlightening our way. So with this, I'm winding up my class. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Bye. पता है पहले मैं इसी तरह का कुछ